Hello friends, welcome back to the Windy video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we off guys dark mode setting in our Oppo phone device. As you can see guys your background is dark and guys you don't like guys your dark background guys you like guys your light background. So then how can you off guys your dark mode setting and how can you turn on guys your light mode setting? Today I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So guys, first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll it and we will click on display and brightness guys. Tap on display and brightness. So once you can see guys your light mode setting and guys dark mode setting. So on left side guys you will have to click. Then guys switch to light mode. Once come back, once you can see dark mode will off and guys light mode will on. So as you can use guys your light mode setting. So guys tell me on comment guys, do you like light mode and guys do you like your dark mode setting? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye guys.